We got 812 of Brad Nickerson coming to you from Bristol, Pennsylvania. The High Slip boys, chasing Logan High Slip, piloting the 22 and the 722 from Toms River, New Jersey. Tyler Lynch on the blue number 1 X2 down there from Webster, New York. He's also got the most enthusiastic holder down there. Lucas Keene on the 103 from Oakland, New Jersey. Dakota Little on the 413 from Lakeville, New York. Kayla Plisk on the number New York. Chris Corson on the 48 out of Brewster, New York. Doug from Londonderry, New Hampshire, 908. And Seth Moore from Consensus, New York on the 513. Oh, we got to back them up and try it over again. You see, just like in motocross, there's a little thing in front of you here in watercross. Except instead of a steel gate, it's an elastic band. You cannot put the nose of your ski under that band until it snaps. Jumping that start and getting under that band is liable to get you a penalty of starting the race with a dead engine. However, this time there are no guilty riders, so we're going to clear out those exhausts, get those skis fired up, crisp and ready to run. That 1-2 car is going to get turned sideways. They got 3 to 5 seconds before that band snaps. We got a clean start that time. Looked like Chris Corson and Sarah Joe bumping a little bit coming out of the gate down there. Brad Nickerson and Chase Highslip keeping it side by side going into that first turn. Looking like Chase able to close the door on him down there. Little Chase just over on the beach with us before doing a little interview. Threw his gear back on, jumped in the water, and went out to do a little more racing. We'll try to get an order for you as they come down the front stretch. Right now, it's looking like we got Chase Highslip, Brad Nickerson, Logan Highslip. Tyler Lynch going for a swim on the far side of our course. The 413 of Dakota Little coming down the front. Chris Corson's going to have Tyler Lynch knocking on his back door. The 908 of Doug Wintle out there, battling it out with Tyler Lynch. Lucas Keene, Kayla Pliskus. I'm looking for expert runabout 4-stroke. Expert runabout 4-stroke to the starting line. If some of you don't know what that means, it means the really big, supercharged, high-speed boats that are sitting around the beach here are going to make their way down to the start line to kick off their moto. Chase coming in the front stretch with the advantage of the speed of the outside option, going to buzz right by Brad Nickerson down there and hold on to that first place position.